How to transfer your data from your PS5 to PS4 or from your PS4 to your PS5. Prepare for the transfer process. Make sure to do following on your source console before you start. Sign into the same account that sign into your destination. Update the system software to the latest version and synchronize your trophy information. Connect your source console and your destination to the same network using commonly Wi-Fi or a LAN. Do not turn off your source or destination during the data transfer. This may cause data to be damaged. Do not change your network setting or run internet connection test during data transfer. You can only transfer data from a PS4 console to a PS5 and PS5 to PS5. If you want to transfer data during the initial step of your PS5 console, follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to transfer the data, these are the steps here given below. First is make sure that your source console is on. Your destination console, go to the home screen, select setting, system and system software, select data transfer and then click on continue. Your destination console automatically restart during data transfer. And some data such as game data is still transferring even after the console restart. When gameplay is ready, the thumbnail of the game appears in the game's home. You can select the thumbnail to play the game while other data is still transferring. To check the progress of data transfer, go to the control center and then select downloads or upload. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.